Just we're just asking you to not because you're just making the customers.
Yeah, but this is a public sidewalk.
Yeah, I know you're just making them uncomfortable. So
Cool.
I'm just asking.
That's
you
not
if
my
you can,
problem
if
if
you
they
can
feel
just,
uncomfortable.
Okay.
I have the right to go through and
Yes, you
back
do.
every time.
Yes, you do, and I have the right to ask you not to do that, right?
No. Then what do you want me to go in the street and run me over?
I didn't say that. You have a right to do this. I have a right to talk to you.
Yeah, but you should
All
tell
right.
him that nobody talked to him. I didn't. Like, this is a hectic job. It's a hectic job here. I'm gonna stand in the middle, let's see. Yeah, okay. Huh? Huh? No, why? Who are you to tell me to go somewhere else? Huh? But you're no one. I'm not gonna listen to you. Who are you? You're not my. You're funny, dude. You're no one. Who are you to tell me orders? You're not my girl or nothing, dude. Who are you? You're a joke, dude. Not even the police could tell me what to do. This guy's a joke. This guy's a joke. That's a typically joke. You saw that guy go somewhere else. What a dumbass. Yeah. I'm gonna stay here. This is a public sidewalk. Yeah, public sidewalk. Nobody owns it.
I'm embarrassed to tell you guys this.
How's it going, man?
How's it going?
Good.
There was a customer. This is a public sidewalk.
Yeah.
You don't own it. And this guy's telling me go somewhere else.
Okay.
You don't tell me to go somewhere else. This is a public sidewalk. That's he started bothering me. That's the thing.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a problem. I could be here all day long and you
Yeah.
can't tell me nothing
Yeah.
because this is a public sidewalk.
I mean,
You're
we're
actually
just-
violating the law, putting these chairs on the side.
No, we were.
That's why the
okay to do
city,
that.
the city wants to take away the permit because there's a lot of
the
issues.
city allowed us to do it, so
But
I mean,
soon
no.
they're gonna remove the
If they
permit,
do, then that's on them.
and then I will be happily ever. That belongs to me, the other space too.
To you?
Where the
Yeah.
I pay my taxes every year, dude.
So do we.
I'm
We all
a
do
hard
too, yeah.
worker
Yep.
every year. Everything that's fixed in the street that comes from the tax dollars.
Yeah. Right.
That guy I don't know over there, he said, "Stop filming me. I'm warning you." Is he threatening me or what? What is going on?
No idea.
It sounds to me like a threat like that.
Nothing to do with me, man. We're just asking you to not because you're just making the customers.
Yeah, but this is a public
uncomfortable.
sidewalk.
Yeah, I know you're just making them uncomfortable. So
Cool.
I'm just asking.
That's
you
not
if
my
you can,
problem
if
if
you
they
can
feel uncomfortable.
just, Okay.
I have the right to go through and
Yes, you
back
do.
every time.
Yes, you do, and I have the right to ask you not to do that, right?
No. Then what do you want me to go in the street and run me over?
I didn't say that. You have a right to do this. I have a right to talk to you.
Yeah, but you should
All
tell
right.
him that nobody talked to him. I didn't
I
even
don't know who you're talking
I
about.
didn't even know that guy existed.
I have no idea what you're talking about. That's not my concern. I'm just talking to you right now.
Yeah, that's the thing.
All right. Cool, man.
Yeah,
Enjoy-
so let
enjoy
me
your
do
day.
my thing.
Yeah, me too, man.
Keep on filming.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, sounds good because I do this for a living. I make good money.
That's nice.
on
That's
YouTube.
nice.
That's what
Alright,
thing.
cool.
Okay.
Right on.
3,000 a video I make. A lot of
Good
views.
for you. Good for you.
Thank you for understanding.
Yeah, of course. If you do, just blur my face out.
These guys will be on YouTube tomorrow.
Are you live streaming?
I have a big YouTube channel.
How big?
Really big.
Do you make like $3,000 per video?
Huh?
Great White All Day Cafe. Running shit. Everyone follow me on Poop Map. Dude, thanks to White. What is shit for?
Don't make fun of you on YouTube. There's a lot of people. I just had that you out of the video, so look professional. They think it's a joke, but until I post them on the internet, they'll learn the hard way. That's easy. All these people think it's a joke, but when I post you on YouTube, that's it, you're done. They could be laughing right now, but I get the second laugh when I make that money off you. Who may get the second laugh? I think me. And these guys must know the law.
What's the YouTube? So I can
No, I don't want to tell you.
like that's not coming up.
Huh?
That's not coming up.
I didn't tell you, that's why. I don't want to tell you my YouTube channel.
Is there capitals in that? Like that.
That's not me. I don't know
I
what.
don't want to tell you.
You don't know what I don't want to tell you means?
Oh. But what's your channel?
I don't want to tell you.
What's your name?
I don't want to tell you.
His name's Donda. You like Kanye?
What matters to you what I like? I don't get it.
Doesn't. I was just having a fun conversation.
No, because it looks like you're making fun of me and you're going to look like that on the internet.
Oh. No, I was just wondering. I like Kanye. Do you like Kanye?
I don't want to talk about it.
Okay.
Yeah. Just try to find yourself on YouTube.
You don't want to talk about it. 35. Is there weights in that?
Huh?
Are there weights in that vest? Are there weights in it? Is it weighted?
I don't know. I don't say my personal stuff.
It's fire.
Well, I'll put them on. It doesn't matter. They're going to lose. These guys don't know. What's up?
What are you doing?
Filming?
For what?
For YouTube?
For YouTube? Alright, sick.
Yeah. It's a good one, actually. You never do those good videos here. Yeah, because I could film. It's a public sidewalk, sir. Yeah, I'm saying there's no problem. I have a legal right to do what I do. Huh? I do this for a living. No, you're the one who started. I didn't even talk to you. But I'll just leave you alone. Just leave it like that. Yeah, I know. Nobody's aggressive. Aggressive is being, I tell you bad words. We'll check out the other one.